never call. Sometimes letters like to hide, they stay quiet deep inside. You can see them clear and bright, but they don't make any sound tonight. See it, don't say it, write it, don't play it. Silent letters, soft and light, we don't say them, we say it right. Read the word and let them be, that's the way it's meant to be. Silent letters here and there, you can see them everywhere. Write them down but don't pronounce, let the real sound just announce.
In knife me know you'll find the K is there but stays behind. Knock the door, just hear the end. Say it softly once again.
No, me, no, not don't say K, just stop. At the end in lamb and thumb, the B is quiet, it goes numb. Climb up high, don't say it loud, keep it silent, smooth and prompt. Climb on, B is silent, stay calm. Write your name and wrap the gift, W is silent, feel the shift. Wrong and wrist, just let it go, say the sound you really know. Right, wrong, wrist, wrap, skip the W, that's the maps.
Honest hour, hear it clear. The H is gone, it disappears. Ghost in what may trick your ear, but with practice you'll have no fear.
Listen close and castle strong, the T is there but doesn't belong. Fasten gently, let it fade, say it smooth, don't be afraid.
Listen, castle, fasten,
Drop the T, just soften.
walk and talk in evening calm. L is silent, soft and warm. In half a word it disappears, just say the sound your ear hears.
Science seen, the C is gone, let the S sound carry on.
Sign and known, the G stays low.
Silent letters help words flow. Science, seen, sign, known, let the real sound shine and roll. Depth and doubt, don't say the B, island drops the S you see. Answer to the W's gone, now you know, just sing along.
Sign letters, now you know when to keep and let them go. Read it clear, speak it right, you can shine in every sign.
Sign and letters, take control, feel the rhythm in your soul. Write them all, but hear them less, that's the Erich cleverness. Not every letter needs a voice, knowing this becomes your choice. Now you read with clearer sight, every word will sound just right.